Welcome to this new video. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a website header, your WordPress website header by using Elementor. Today I will show you how you can make this by using Elementor very easily. I hope if you guys watch this tutorial step by step, anyone can make this very easily. So you can see that I'm visiting a website. I'm just developing this one, so and I didn't make the website header yet. So in this video I will show how I can make this header of this website. So for making this header, first of all we have to go this header you can make into two ways. First of all, you can make a header by editing here, editing this page. If you make this header like this, so we have to use this header to every page manually. That means whenever we shall make a header by editing the page, so this header will work only this page. But if you have 5 pages, so you have to go separately 5 pages and you have to make this header separately. This is one way, and another way we shall make this by going to template and theme builder. Click here, and if we make this header from theme builder and set the condition for entire site, just we shall make the header here and all the website pages will get that header default, because we shall set the condition for entire site. I hope you guys have understood. So I'm going to click here header. You can see there are already I have made some header for my website, but I'm not using them. I will make new one right now. So click new. So we have to wait a bit. Yeah. So we shall click here, and this is our header. So first of all we shall just make it box, no matter, and we shall take a container also here. Three, because we shall be needed 3 column here. First column here will be logo, and second column for menu, and third column for a button. Okay, so first of all I want to use a image here for logo. Full size. Delete this one, and we shall use a logo actually. So this one I'm going to use. It's a huge size, so I'm just decreasing the size 50 bits. Okay, and we have to center align this one, and here we shall use a menu. So let's search for menu. ME WordPress menu. So let's use this one here, and vertically center, and this is looking like this. This is horizontally. This is okay, and we shall Roboto is okay. Font size 16 pixel, 17 17 is okay. Center, align, and I want to change just hover color. Each one and to make black. Not black. I'm just not going to use this. So I shall use this hover. So let's make it black. Not black. We can use. Sorry. Let's see what happened with this color. Not bad. So you can just change the color, font size, and others, line height, margin padding, everything you can change, and you can use actually whatever you like. So I'm just using this, and also text color active will be the same. Hover and active color will be same. And here has to set the condition, integer. For integer site I want to use this header. Okay, save and close. And here I shall use this one also vertically center. It's okay. I shall use a button here. So let's click here and button, search for button, this one button. Okay, center, get started. And to change the background of this button. So yeah, this is background. To use this as the hover color of button. Okay, so this is the button. So let's click here and it will look like this. Okay, so this is very minimal header design. Okay, so you can just use whatever you like style for your website. It will depend actually for your client's requirement. If your client ask you for something different, then you can style it as you like. Okay, so I hope the basic idea you have got how you can make a Elementor menu with your WordPress website very easily. Okay, so I am not going to waste any more time for doing style. You guys can do it by yourself, I hope. Okay, because there are so many style options you can try one by one. Okay, so I have saved this and we'll visit here. I'll just refresh this page and let me see what is happening here. The menu is working, but the button and this logo is not working. Probably I have to use a Z index here. So let's do that. Advanced, and we shall use a Z index 9. Okay, and let's see what is happening. And we shall also change the menu color, because menu color should be white text color, as this is a transparent menu. If I use white here, we shall not be able to see here, but it will be okay here. Okay, yeah, now these are showing here. I have just changed the menu color also to white. White color will be visible here. So let's see what is happening. Yeah, now it's looking good. This menu is working in fantastic, and this we can use a hover also here. Not working. Hover. Normal, and we have to hover color. Let's use black. Yeah, not bad. So actually you can change whatever you like and what your clients need actually. It will depend for that. And for this tutorial purpose I am not doing much more, and it's okay for me. Okay. So by this way you can use any kind of header to your WordPress website very easily. So guys, I hope this tutorial will help you to make a nice header with menu and logo. It will help you to make a nice header. So I hope guys this tutorial will help you to make a nice header